Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my another video. In this video, I am going to show you how to add two graphs side by side in Google Docs. Let's get started. At first, you have to open your Google Docs tab. Then go to the Insert menu and going to the chart and click bar chart. You can see our bar chart is inserted. Now I am resize the chart. Then select the chart and press Ctrl C on your keyboard. Now I am press Ctrl V on your keyboard. Now paste the bar. You can Here we can see add two graphs side by side in Google Docs very easily. I hope you enjoyed my video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.